So there you go. A boned chicken. Not bad. And do you want to see me truss the... I'll cut the parson's nose off. That can go in a bit. Now I'm actually going to place the poussin in the chicken. So that is now a bird in a bird. And you can truss that if you want with a bit of string. But basically that's what's going to go inside my boned turkey. No bones. Cut it with a knife, serve it.
Will be carried forward. Voting details can be found at bbc.co.uk/strictly and remember to get permission from the bill payer. So if you want your vote.
Right, I've boned the turkey now. What I'm going to do is with an elastic band, I'm going to truss it up. I'm going to put in the other birds into it. Right, we've got the hard-boiled egg. The hard-boiled egg goes in the poussin. Okay? The poussin goes in the chicken, the corn-fed chicken. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly. Then the chicken and the poussin and the egg go inside the turkey. You need some string, and we'll truss it up. Have you got any string?
Sewing thread, strong sewing thread.
Yeah, any strong thread. Can you get it, and then you can watch me truss it up. So,
okay, you can sew something now.
Right, I've got it on the tray. Now I'm going to do this. I mean, we should use string, but this is all we got at the moment, so we're just going to put a bit of strong thread around it. This may or may not work because it's not really the right stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Can you wrap that around it? Can you wrap that around it, please? I can't do it on my own.
Well, I can't film it then. Do you want me to start filming?
I need some string is what I need. We must have some string. What's this? Is it cotton or is it nylon? There you go. And look at that, a beautiful bird in a bird in a bird. I'm going to give it a little bit of a blast, then we're going to have that cold tomorrow. Real chuffed. Well, it's soaked up as well, isn't it? It's moist flesh, isn't it? No bones.